Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's incredibly important for anyone experiencing knee pain or looking to keep their knees healthy and strong: vitamins. Specifically, we'll be talking about the most crucial vitamins for ailing knees and how they can make a significant difference in your joint health. But before we begin, if you're on a mission to improve your health and well-being, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now. By subscribing, you'll stay up to date with all our latest tips and tricks to feel better. Trust me, you won't want to miss out. Whether you're an athlete, someone suffering from knee osteoarthritis, or just want to maintain healthy knees as you age, this video is for you, so let's get started. Now, before we dive into the vitamins, let's take a quick look at what's going on inside your knees. Your knee is a complex joint made up of bones, cartilage, ligaments, and synovial membrane. The cartilage in your knee is a tough, elastic connective tissue that allows the bones to glide smoothly over each other. It acts as a cushion, absorbing shock and providing smooth, pain-free movement. However, over time, this crucial tissue can start to wear down, get damaged, or even crack. This leads to inflammation, causing pain, swelling, and stiffness. This condition is often referred to as knee osteoarthritis. It's a common problem that many people face, but the good news is that there are ways to support your knee health naturally. Vitamins play a key role in maintaining the health of your knees, especially the cartilage. Cartilage is a tissue that doesn't regenerate well, so once it's damaged, it's hard to repair. That's why prevention and proper care are so important. Let's look at the most important vitamins for your knees and how they can help. First up is vitamin C. Most of us know vitamin C as an immune booster, right? But did you know it's also crucial for your knee health? Vitamin C is essential for the production of collagen, which is a major component of all connective tissues, including cartilage. Collagen helps in wound healing and in repairing and maintaining bones, teeth, and cartilage. If you're having issues with cartilage in your knees, chances are you might be deficient in vitamin C. Vitamin C is also an antioxidant, neutralizing free radicals, which reduces the risk of inflammation and further damage. Some great sources of vitamin C include kiwi, bell peppers, oranges, strawberries, papaya, pineapple, grapefruit, broccoli, mango, tomatoes, and spinach. Aim to get at least 500 milligrams of vitamin C per day, either through diet or supplements. Next up is vitamin D. This vitamin is unique because our bodies can produce it when exposed to sunlight. Vitamin D is crucial for developing and maintaining healthy bones. It helps with the proper absorption of calcium, which is necessary for strong bones and teeth. Vitamin D also plays a role in preventing and treating cartilage breakdown. Studies show that adequate levels of vitamin D may help slow the progression of osteoarthritis. The recommended daily dose of vitamin D is about 1,000 IU, but sometimes more may be needed, especially if you have a deficiency. Let's not forget about vitamin K. This fat-soluble vitamin is essential for healthy blood clotting, bone health, and heart health. There are two main forms of vitamin K: vitamin K1, which is found in leafy green vegetables and some plant oils, and vitamin K2, which is found in dairy products, fermented foods, and animal products. Vitamin K2 is particularly important for bone health as it activates a protein that helps bind calcium to your bones. Increased K2 intake improves bone density and reduces the risk of fractures. Always take vitamin K with healthy fats like olive oil or coconut oil for better absorption. All right, now that we've covered the key vitamins, let's talk about how to incorporate them into your daily routine for better knee health. First and foremost, aim for a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. This will provide you with a variety of nutrients, including the vitamins we've discussed. If you're struggling to get enough vitamins through your diet, consider taking supplements. A good multivitamin can help fill in the gaps. Look specifically for supplements that include glucosamine, chondroitin, vitamin C, vitamin D, and vitamin K. Include bone broth in your diet. Bone broth is rich in glucosamine and other joint-supporting nutrients. You can make it at home or buy it from the store. Get some sun exposure every day to boost your vitamin D levels. Aim for at least 15 to 20 minutes of sun exposure on your skin. If you live in a place with limited sunlight, especially during winter months, consider taking vitamin D supplements to ensure you're getting enough. Incorporate plenty of leafy greens and fermented foods into your diet to boost your vitamin K levels. Add spinach, kale, and broccoli to your meals, and try fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut. Engage in regular exercise to maintain joint health and strength. Low-impact activities like swimming, cycling, and walking are great for maintaining knee health without putting too much stress on the joints. Strength training can also help by building the muscles around your knees, providing better support and stability. Maintain a healthy weight. Weight management is crucial for knee health. Excess weight puts additional stress on your knees, accelerating cartilage wear and tear. Aim for a balanced diet and regular exercise to maintain a healthy weight. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Keeping hydrated helps keep your joints lubricated and supports overall joint health. And there you have it. By understanding the importance of vitamins like vitamin C, vitamin D, and vitamin K, and incorporating them into your daily routine, you can significantly improve your knee health. Remember, prevention is key, and taking these steps will help you maintain strong and healthy knees for years to come. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness tips. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified when we post new videos. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, leave them in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and take care of those knees. Until next time, stay healthy and keep moving.